back for week 2, and I'm trying a new camera. Anyway, Paul's back there right now working hard. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. So Paul Bartnik, this is the guy who owns the shop here. He's working on like a really awesome diamond ring right now, just finishing it up before it's time for delivery. So we'll let him do his thing, but kind of cool things are going on. So this is what I was working on last week when I left. Got the little diamond set in there and got this shoulder started to get cut down so I can get ready for the other 2. But then I realized I was using the wrong wax blank. Yeah, so I'll start with this one and then we'll figure out. So maybe that's what I should do real quick, is just start cutting a new blank for that guy. So this is Max over here. You guys met him the other day, right? He is casting a ring today in rose gold. I just figured since it was happening, I wanted to show it to you. Where is it?
It's right there.
Oh shoot, it's on my desk. Okay, check this thing out. This is going to be someone's engagement ring. This is what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to carve it. This is the end result, though. This is what Max is doing. So it's going to be in rose gold, is what it is?
Correct.
All right. Oh, I don't even want to tilt it. Can I tilt it?
Yeah.
All right. He has been working away on this thing. So I'll show it to you now, and he's going to cast later today and see if we can't get a shot of it finished too. Kind of neat. All kinds of cool stuff going on in here. Alright, so here it is. I've been working on this all day. Second try. And I cut a little bit too thin on the sides. So now I know. Start over again. See if I can't get it right this time. Alright, so I got in here at like 8 o'clock this morning, right? I had to redo that one ring I screwed up last week. So that is it now. Pretty much back to where I was supposed to be. But what? It's 3 o'clock now, and it's pretty much all I've been doing all day. And this is one of the ones I screwed up earlier. And see how thin it is? It's like super thin. And that's because I've been practicing pretty much for hours, it feels like, my fine filing technique. Getting it perfectly level and smooth and in the right angle. Dude, that takes a lot more work than I expected. So, quick update. I think we're about ready to start moving on to the next step maybe now. We'll see. Alright, so, what? It's 4:30 now, towards the end of the day. I've got the one piece I've been working on all day. Carving this thing out, and now I have the diamond I want to set into it stuck on there and scribed a line around it and everything. So I did that one. I got that one done as well. So that's the start of what I'm doing. To be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing next. We're going to find out. I'm assuming we're setting the diamonds down into the wax. But Max, here's what he did today. Remember we were talking about him investment casting that wax piece? Well, it just came out. It's still got investment all around it. Yeah, so he'll do a little bit of cleaning up today. Kind of keep you updated on what's going on with this one too. It's like super cool. I cannot wait to get to this stage on what I'm working on. Pretty cool. Alright, so back again. So just in case you guys didn't know, I'm here 2 days a week. So my week is only 2 days long, unfortunately for now. But anyway, so yesterday we got it down to that far. I'm going to keep doing some cleaning up and then we'll figure out the next step. And then my wife's ring. So that was my sister-in-law's ring. And this one's going to be my wife's ring, hopefully, if I totally don't screw it up again. And I'll be working on that today. Oh, and then a little bit of update on Max's ring. I'll show it to you real quick. Alright, there it is. So it's getting cleaned up, and he's working on it. He's going to be putting a filigree on it.
Yeah, white gold filigree. This is rose gold.
So that is going to be straight up awesome. We'll keep you updated on that. And I've been working on my audio, because I checked my video yesterday and it totally sucks, so I put a new mic on. We're going to get this vlog thing figured out. And maybe even the ring stuff figured out. We'll find out. Alright, so this is my sister-in-law's ring we're working on. And notice what we're doing here. We're taking those scribed lines we scribed around it yesterday. We're cutting down the edges of it now to make it more like that. So what we're going to be doing now, they get a hole in the middle, so we drill that by hand. Okay, check it out. I don't want to tilt it too far because I don't want to lose my little diamond, but I've got the diamond pretty much set in there now. So that's how far we've gotten it so far. I'm going to keep cutting it out, and then we're going to try heating up the diamond, I guess, and setting it into the wax. That's kind of cool. I'm kind of curious to see how that's going to look. We'll find out. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you what I've been working on for quite a while. So this is what we've been doing for quite a while. We've got all of it cut down. We've got the diamond set in there now. And so now what we're going to start working on is putting the sapphires and the aquamarine on the side. And what we're going to do is, I'm doing that out of white gold. Instead of carving out a wax, we're just going to solder this white gold. So I'm cutting down one side of the settings so we can solder in, and they're going to be soldered together in like a flux capacitor kind of a pattern, like a Y. So there's the sapphires and the aquamarine right there. And if I pan over here, it's a little tube setting looking bezel thing. Really, really, really small. And that's going to have a little diamond in it. And that's going to be setting over the top of those guys when they're in that Y pattern. So the idea is to make it look kind of like a flower blooming on the side of the ring. So we'll see. I've never soldered anything that tiny, so I'm taking extremely slow progress here. I've been doing this for, feels like, all afternoon, and it's getting to be close to the end of the day now. So, but in between that, because I'm asking Paul for direction pretty much the entire time. Now this is my sister-in-law's ring we're working on, and in between that, I've been working on this wax for my wife's ring. So I got that, the sides all cut down, and my next step is to drill a hole in the middle and then ball burr it. But anyway, I'm going to make that to where I can set the diamond into this one too. So it's kind of good to have two projects going on, so that way I've always got something to do, because I have so many questions and it takes time. So that's what I'll probably be doing the rest of the day. We'll see if we get lucky and solder. Look at that. That's straight up awesome. Alright, so that's what we're going to be soldering, huh?
Okay.
Alright, I just wanted to do one thing. Now this is Brandon. You guys remember Brandon, right?
Hey guys.
He made some of these amazing earrings, and right before I went to go solder, I found out the guy's coming to pick them up today. So before he does, I wanted to show what this guy made.
Yep.
So explain them too, because I'm not going to be able to do them justice.
Yeah, they're solid 14 karat gold ear weights with a citrine cut by Ryan Joseph.
Hey, let me get right into that citrine, because there's a design going on back there that's like, check that out.
It's called a fantasy cut.
Anyway, that is straight up amazing. Look at the back.
Yeah.
I just want you guys to know who I'm working with, so I'm going to put like Paul's website and Instagram up, and Brandon's and Max's, and when Betsy does stuff, I'll put her stuff up too. Just so you guys know, because we're working with some really just amazingly talented people in here. So anyway, back to soldering. Thanks, dude. Thanks for sharing that with us. Alright, I'm going to try soldering this thing now. We'll see what happens. Okay, so here these guys are after getting them soldered. That is like by far the smallest thing I've ever soldered. Just love it. Anyway, so these are gonna go about like that. So pretty cool. And it's about the end of the day, so I'm probably gonna end up just doing a couple odds and ends and then packing things up. Be heading out to the coast for the weekend. Can't wait for that. So yeah, turned out really cool. I'm really excited about my progress here. Can't wait to learn more. Before we go, I forgot. Max makes these little lightsabers. I saw them today for the first time. I want to show you guys. This is a lightsaber. Max makes these lightsabers. They are actually insane. Look at the detail in that thing. This is made with tons of little pieces all... Actually, why don't you just describe it, Max?
This is a Nigerian blue tourmaline. This is made with about 40 different separate components, all fabricated with a torch together. Consists of 14 karat gold, silver, some 24 karat gold inlay, and yeah.
That's like insane. That's a ridiculous. If you guys don't know jewelry, that's a ridiculous amount of soldering in that little piece right there to get all that to come together like that. The detail is insane.
Hand engraved as well.
Anyway, pretty darn cool. What I'm going to try to do is just show you what's going on in the shop, because this is a really amazing place, and I just want you guys to be a part of it. I want you guys to see what's going on in here. So I'm going to invade everyone's life in here for a while. Alright guys, thanks for following along. That's a wrap for this week. Make sure you go check out Brandon and Max and Paul's Instagram, or whatever information I'm going to be putting in the description box below. Really cool stuff, and if you guys want a custom piece of jewelry, make sure you give one of them a shout. That's pretty much it. Alright, love you guys. Catch you next week.